In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Instagram. So here's how you can do it. If this helps you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below so we can push this video to more people. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, by the way, BradleyBRXD, go and follow me. So what you need to do is come to your profile page, which will be in the bottom right hand corner, and then we're looking for the edit profile button. Once you've done that, you can scroll all the way down, and here where it says phone number, you might have no phone number, or you might have an already existing phone number. Click on that, and you can then enter in the phone number that you want to change it to. So I've entered that in right now. I'm going to click next. And then what's going to happen is Instagram is going to send you a message. So we're going to wait for that here. And once the message has been sent, they are going to automatically put it in the Instagram box. So I literally didn't have to do anything. And the message has been sent, it's automatically gone into Instagram, and it's automatically updated the phone number. Now we can click on the blue tick, and that's all we have to do. The phone number has now been changed, and that's how you can change your phone number on Instagram. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.